by the water where the shipping lanes are. And we've already gotten quite a few iguanas here because we're working at 3 different houses here. And they're really infested in the area. They really like these coconut palms, and since they're untrimmed, they sit on top of these coconuts. You can see a good sized boy up there right now. He's the exact color of the coconuts, even has orange highlights just like them. These guys definitely co-evolved with coconut trees.
So we're actually using the BRK Ghost. We haven't brought that out in a while.
Ooh, he likes that shot. Let's go check it out. Right there, got you iguana. So Jermaine says that there's another iguana in the tree. We've walked around the house checking bushes and everything. We even had one dive in the water that y'all missed. But we've come back and apparently there's another one right here in the tree. Same spot. Oh, I see him, Sneaky iguana. I want to come over on this angle so that we have more trees.
She's here.
I see him. Y'all see him?
Bogey's here. Yeah, go for it.
You get below, I think, right?
Right.
I held just over his head. I'm pretty positive I hit him right in the eye. He's hanging backwards over the backside of the tree over here. You can see him hanging upside down.
Hold on, come show me.
He's on the right-hand side of the coconut. You can see his little paw sticking out where he's dangling now. Now he looks like a coconut. That's an iguana. See him right there?
Right.
Here, I'm trying to hit him again while you're on him and see if we can't get him to fall. And there he goes.
Ooh. That's that gutter. Remember, it did it in the. It landed in the gutter the last time. It might have landed in the same spot, in the gutter in the same spot.
This is why some trees get wrapped, because if you wrap that tree, you just prevent all of them from getting that one spot, and reduce habitat, reducing food, water, and habitat. Of course, prevents any animal. Guys, we spotted a tail again in this tree. That happened last time in this tree. We're gonna see if we can find his head so we can get a good shot on him. Go around and see if we can still see him from the other side.
I see an eye. He's looking at us.
Oh, I see him. Freaking got him. Look at that shot. How far is that? Like 25. There he goes.
This thing is mean.
It's very much on point.
It's a very effective piece of artillery.
177 still getting it done. Got you a iguana. Let's go get that guy who just got it.
Haha.
A little bit. We'll have to come clean that up. But got you iguana. I could only see the top half of his head, and the ghost came through. That copper head gives me a real clean image. Got you iguana. Hey guys, we just got out here, and it's about 11:30, and there is an iguana on top of this palm frond that's coming straight at us. There he is. And I got a nice backstop of the actual center of the tree. Iguana's probably like 20 yards. I do have a wind. Safety off.
Caught him underneath his chin. Whoa, blew his face off.
He landed on top of there.
Like,
He saw it land.
seriously-
He was laughing.
I want to see this shot.
So we're gonna go get that iguana. He actually rolled to the other side of the wall, so we have to go all the way around to get him. What? Got you, Iguana. Ghost got you. This is the iguana we shot out with the ghost up there. He was kind of facing this way. Got him somewhere around here. Clearly was a kill shot. He's already lost all his color because we went and got some more iguanas before we came over and picked him up, but we knew he was all the way out. So got you, iguana, clean shot. The ghost is definitely getting it done. Hey, so I wanted to talk to you about the hardest thing about iguana removal is showing up to a single house with a property line edges, and you have to find an iguana within that property, and then you have to get that iguana. So this property has astroturf that iguanas don't eat, rocks that iguanas don't eat. Their mango tree is not in bloom, and yet they continue to complain about iguanas, and you gotta find them. So at that point, we shake trees until we see them. I recommend starting with plants you know they prefer to eat. That pothos is eaten to death. That is a heart-shaped leaf normally and should be huge leaves, but it is eaten beyond belief right now. And if you look to the right-hand side next to a yellow leaf, there is a decent-sized iguana that's been munching. I'm already loaded right here.
He's coming out for you.
We've got the ghost. He's trying to look at me because I'm walking around. He can see me. Yeah, okay. He is only about 15 yards. Let me open up my scope here. Find me. Here we go. Off safety. What do you think of that?
Plankton. Ooh.
Here he is, here he is. We got a decent sized iguana on the roof of this house. They're usually super sneaky here, so we're gonna try to take it from way over here. Would help to open this. He's already trying to move. Got him right in the back.
That's
of the head.
range.
He came right off. I got it. Iguana, there's fronds sticking over the corner of the gazebo part, and I'm pretty sure that's an iguana right there. It's pretty close. 10 yards, maybe 12. Yeah, that's an iguana. We try small hold over his head. Shooting on 12 power with the ghost. Taking off safety helps.
Ghost
the
power.
iguana. And got you, iguana. Okay guys, we're looking for iguanas along this walkway. We showed it to y'all before where they were eating up all the plants down there. Those plants were killed, you could see even in our last video, so they've replaced it with grass. It's just a bad idea to put very edible plants right by the water because iguanas will continue to come even if you kill all of them right there that day. But Jermaine spotted a really sneaky, good-sized iguana kind of in our face right here in these leaves. I can only see his spikes. He's looking at me with his little eyeball right now. So, gonna just put it, it's probably about 10, 12 yards away. Just a dangling and dripping. Drip and dangle. Got you a one. Hey guys, we're out here at a dock like that's attached to another property that we work with, and these iguanas are all in the mangroves. So we're gonna take a shot at this guy right here. We're gonna turn so that it can't go. You can see cars moving back there. We see if we can't get a shot more. Probably just a little less than 20 yards. That would help.
Huh? Ooh, mind bending him.
He likes that shot.
Look at this.
So we knew we wouldn't be able to retrieve this iguana, but we retrieved most of our iguanas, so if one or two fall in the water, we feel okay about that, as long as we got the result for the customer. And oftentimes we do come back and find him as a floater the next day and still get him. So, got you, iguana.
He looked like a sinker to me. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible targets. Down with one target.
Look at that flip.
Andale. He did not like that.
Right here up on top of the bush. Only like 5 yards. Got it. Got you, iguana. Let's go get this flipper. Tiny targets.
Yeah, so look over here too.
Out. Get 'em. Hey guys, we're back at this house that iguanas are just up and down these palms and down in the bushes. If we walk around this edge, this iguana's gonna sneak down in the bushes, trying to take the shot from here. His head is the only thing we've got sticking up.
How far you think it is?
A little bit over 20 yards. That's right. Look at his tail up in the air flinging. I can't open this gate. You have to open the gate. Got you, iguana. Atomic always comes through. That there is an iguana on the seawall. It's probably the big boy that we saw in the grass that we chased out there earlier, and we're trying to get a good shot on him, but he just dove in the water. So now he's come back on the seawall. Is he up high?
It's midways. See where the palm trees are on the diagonal?
Yeah.
Probably about 15 feet towards us from that along the seawall.
We're still working this property. We're good. Oh, I can only see his flanks. Wonder if we could take the shot from the dock.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Put that guy doesn't mind. There you go. Can I see his head from here? I can see. Yes. He is only about 10 yards away. We're gonna hold above him. Oh! It like went straight in his eye. He's just a wiggling and a wiggling down there.
Let's see if we can pull him.
Yeah.
And retrieve him.
Oh, good. Yeah, the snare would be hard. Here he is, just a flopping around. Matching hole him. See if I can't get a good hook on him. Here we go. Got you iguana. Let's get into the grass because he's making a mess. He can sit with his toothy friend we found earlier. We found, I guess that's a dead barracuda? I don't know, we didn't do it. Maybe it was a fish who wasn't still hungry. But got you iguana, shot's right here behind the eye. He just did a little dance in the water, but he's definitely out. And so the new little green machine, of course, is coming through. It's the same atomic I've been shooting for a long time. It's just nice and fresh and jazzed up. Got you iguana. I'll catch Ricochet on the boat. I gotta get over there.
Let's see if you can make it over. Let's come out of the way. Ooh, look at the action. Great shot. Great shot. Look how clear this water is.
Look, he's flipping down there. See him? Making a mess in the
Point him
dirt.
out. Point him out for me.
Right there.
Please help me.
See his tail going everywhere?
Yeah, it's a little cloud. He's kicked up. Great shot.
That might have been that big. Okay, guys, we just spotted a really good size iguana sitting on top of these acacia palms. So we're Areca palms. I don't know which one they are, but we're gonna try to see if we can snag this boy. Try and see if I can get him back.
Ooh. That was some force. So he's caught up in some of these palms.
Rolled down.
Right. Look, he's right here. Caught up right here. Right in your face. Let's see here. So here's her iguana.
Oh, he's got blood in my eye.
Blood in the wind, blood in the eye.
There he is. Whew. Single shot. We only had one shot left in the mag. We talked about going back to get some pellets, but we decided to just try it with one pellet and it worked out. So the gun comes through. Got you iguana.
Yeah, she's in hunter-gatherer mode.